I think more people is coming. You understand?
I don't understand.
Sometimes my feeling is good, my feeling sometimes not good. But anyway, sacrifice man. You want?
Yes.
You want putol? Go. Go to camera. Maybe finish. But for me, just little it. I don't eat too much because I'm so very bad for me. Please, can I break? Please,
Pero
can
hamam.
I, can I drink there? Okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Why you told you always come talk to Hammam? What's that? I don't understand. Can I explain what's that? Oh, good or not good?
Hamam good.
What's that? It's not good people talking to me. I told Mom, I don't know what's that, Mom. Maybe go to toilet and maybe bad.
Opo, hamam. Ano?
Hello guys. Uh, I want to explain about my chef here, how to make it coffee or anything like that. In the morning, maybe 9 a.m. and breakfast is coming. Like sandwich or more sandwich
When
like
9 a.m.
20.
10 a.m.
Yeah, not p.m. a.m. You know, a.m. is the morning, p.m. Night. You
Malum
understand?
PM, PM
Yes.
night.
So,
AM, 10.
a.m.
Mapi